Hello everyone. Here in this tutorial I am going to discuss one very important topic of software engineering, that is ERP. Now coming to the question, what is ERP? If we elaborate, we'll get E stands for enterprise, R stands for resource, and P stands for planning. So, as a whole, we'll get enterprise resource planning, and that is ERP. And this one is the topic of discussion today. Now, if I ask the question, what is ERP, we'll get several points. Like ERP is the enterprise resource planning. It refers to a type of software that organizations use to manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting, procurement, project management, risk management, and compliance and supply chain operations. A complete ERP suite also includes enterprise performance management software that helps plan, budget, predict, and report on an organization's financial results. ERP systems tie together a multitude of business processes and enable the flow of data between them. By collecting an organization's shared transactional data from multiple sources, ERP systems eliminate data duplication and provide data integrity with a single source of truth. Today, ERP systems are critical for managing thousands of businesses of all sizes and in all industries. To these companies, ERP is as indispensable as the electricity that keeps the lights on. Now, coming to the ERP fundamentals, ERP systems are designed around a single defined data structure or schema that typically has a common database. Okay, so this helps ensure that the information used across the enterprise is normalized and based on common definitions and user experiences. These core constructs are then interconnected with business processes driven by workflows across business departments, as for example finance, human resources, engineering, marketing, operations, etc., connecting systems and the people who use them. So it will connect the whole thing, all the resources, all the departments, as well as all the employees in a single system. Simply put, ERP is the vehicle for integrating people, processes, and technologies across a modern enterprise. Now, coming to the business value of ERP, it improves business insight from real time information generated by reports, lower operational costs through streamlined business processes and best practices, enhanced collaboration from users sharing data in contracts, requisitions, and purchase orders, improved efficiency of the company through a common user experience across many business functions and well defined business processes, consistent infrastructure from the back office to the front office, with all business activities having the same look and feel. Higher user adoption rates from a common user experience and design. Reduce risk through improved data integrity and financial controls. Lower management and operational costs through uniform and integrated systems. Now, what are the characteristics of ERP? ERP systems typically include the following characteristics: an integrated system. So as a whole, we'll get the whole system. Means all the departments will come into under one umbrella. Operates in on a real time. A common database that supports all applications. So as we are using the common database, all the departments can work together with the same database. So data duplicity will be decreased. A consistent look and feel across modules. So all the module will have a consistent look, as all the departments or all the modules will work together under the same umbrella. Next, installation of the system with elaborate application or data integrated by the information technology department, provided the implementation is not done in small steps. Next, deployment options include on premises, cloud hosted, and or SaaS. Next, coming to the modules or the functional areas of ERP. Uh, an ERP system covers the some common functional areas, like here you can see procurement or SRM is the storage resource management. Sorry, this is procurement or SRM, production or PLM, that is product life cycle management. Then we'll get distribution, SCM. SCM is the software configuration management. Then accounting, then human resources, by maintaining a complete employee database and to optimal utilization of all employees. Then corporate performance and governance. Again, there is also customer services or CRM is the customer relationship management. And then sales. Now in many ERP systems, these are called and grouped together as ERP modules. Financial accounting, by general ledger, fixed assets, payable, including vouchering, matching and payment, receivable and collections, cash management, financial consolidation, etc. Then management accounting, which includes budgeting, costing, cost management, activity based costing. Human resource, uh, by using recruiting, training, rostering, payroll, benefits, retirement and pensions plan, diversity management, retirement separation, etc. Manufacturing is also there. It uses engineering, bill of materials, work orders, scheduling, capacity, workflow management, quality control, manufacturing process, manufacturing projects, manufacturing flow, product life cycle management, etc. Then we'll get order processing, by order to cash, order entry, credit checking, pricing, available in promise, inventory, shipping, sales analysis and reporting, sales commissioning, etc. After that, we'll get supply chain management, SCM, uh, by supply chain planning, supplier scheduling, product configurator, order to cash, purchasing, inventory, claim processing, warehousing, receiving, put away, picking and packing. Then we'll get project management, Under that, project planning, resource planning, project costing, work breakdown structure, billing, time and expense, performance units, and activity managements are there. Then customer relationship management or CRM. Here we'll get sales and marketing, commissions, service, customer contacts, call center support, etc. CRM systems are not always considered part of ERP systems, but rather business support systems or BSS. Then finally, data services by various self-service interfaces for customers, suppliers, and employees. Then coming to the advantages of ERP, will there are several advantages of ERP system. Okay, like the most fundamental advantage of ERP is that the integration of a myriad of business processes saves the time and expense. Management can make decisions faster and with fewer errors. Data becomes visible across the organization, and tasks that benefit from this integration include sales forecasting, chronological history of every transaction, order tracking, etc. Now, coming to the points of the advantages, main points of the advantages, we will get focused IT costs. All through ERP is often a large investment. It can unify your IT cost and improve efficiency. Then total system will be visible to all the employees as well as the management. Improved reporting and planning, complete customization, improved efficiency, customer service, then data security and quality, and finally improved collaboration and workflows. So these are the advantages of ERP. Now coming to the disadvantages of ERP, we'll get the installation of the ERP system is costly. Although we can see that after installation of ERP system, the cost of maintaining the system will be decreased and the overall cost will be decreased. But to install the ERP, it will take a huge cost. Okay, next disadvantage is the success depends on the skills and experience of workforce, including education and how to make the system work properly. So all the employees need to be trained here, and if they will not get training in proper training, then they will not be capable of using the whole system. Then resistance in sharing internal information between departments can reduce the efficiency of the software. Now, after talking about advantages and disadvantages, and also we have seen the fundamentals of ERP, let us conclude by saying while employing an ERP system may be expensive, it offers organizations a cost efficient system in the long run. So if one company wants a system which will run longer than the existing traditional system, then the company should go with ERP or enterprise resource planning system. Next one is ERP software works by integrating all the different departments in an organization into one computer system, allowing for efficient communication between these departments and hence enhances the productivity. The organization should take extra precautions when it comes to choosing the correct ERP system for them. there have been many cases that organizations have lost a lot of money due to selecting the wrong ERP solution and a service provider for them. Okay, so these are all about the basic idea of ERP and what is the advantage disadvantages of ERP system. And in the screen you can find the references what I have used for preparing this tutorial. These are very helpful. If you want to go for detail, then you can go through these websites. um, Now that's all from my part. If you want more tutorials on the software engineering or some other subjects, you can subscribe the channel. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.